Now we're configuring Ubuntu. If you selected update to install updates when you did the install, you won't need to update now. First thing you want to probably do is make sure you have video drivers. All that you need to do for that is open up the menu, go to Applications. If you type in drivers, you should get an option to actually, what you probably want to do is open up the Software Center. From here you can install all sorts of applications. Applications installed differently until you get packages. It also means that you can remove applications a lot easier. The Software Center will provide all sorts of applications. You already have Office applications installed in a web browser. You can install other applications like Steam, and once this is loaded, you'll be able to install drivers from here as well. So if you install additional drivers, that's all you have to do to install software here is search for it in the Software Center, which is a bit like the App Store. And then press install. Now whenever you install any software, you will need to provide your password as an administrator to allow it to be installed. And then that'll just download and install itself. And whenever you do updates, it'll update all of the software that you've installed from here. And it's that simple. Other software you'll probably want to install to begin with will probably be what is called the restricted extras. So if you install the Ubuntu restricted extras, that will allow you to play most formats for Ubuntu. And once you do that, just click install anyway. And so once additional drivers is installed, you can just install your video card drivers through that. Other things about Ubuntu, so you have everything here. Your documents can be searched through there. You can also open up the file browser here, which will show you all of your files, and that's where your files are saved. Web browsing is pretty much the same. Software that is designed for Windows won't run on Ubuntu. Software that's designed for Mac OS won't run on Ubuntu. There is no internet security. You don't need internet security with Linux. The way that Linux and Mac OS X and Unix is structured doesn't allow for malicious viruses, and because Linux controls all of the software that ends up in its software center and has done for several years now, None of the software you get from there will be malicious in any way. So that guarantees you that you will get no viruses, and no programs run without being given proper permission to do anything they want to. So you can get away without having to buy internet security for this. It also comes with access to Amazon and Ubuntu Music, and you can remove stuff from the launcher pretty easily. Also, have your basic settings here. You can change your desktop, fiddle around with that. It's generally good to just poke around. You might want to change your security and privacy settings. So if you don't want this search to turn up everything in your computer, you can turn that off. You can turn off searching online, and you can stop sending error reports to Ubuntu. Updates will come up here like that. The software updater will pop up and give you updates whenever you need it. Apart from that, that's how you get into dual booting. Ubuntu and Windows. So every time you restart, you will be offered the menu to choose between booting Windows and booting Linux, or Linux. It doesn't really matter how you pronounce it. So yes. Pretty easy in all. So, thanks for watching, and enjoy using the best of both worlds of both Windows and Linux. Yeah. Bye!